Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath there's a 2-liter inline-4 turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come up with the AMG line, which is going to give you an AMG exterior and interior look. 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. This one also has the night package, which is going to give you black exterior accent trim, a diamond style grille up front, AMG black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats. Alongside there is a blind spot assist. And the LED logo which appears when you open the door. Heated seats, aluminum trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. 10.25 high resolution widescreen media display, XM radio, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 4,075 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like a few more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.